Going over the trades on the day for live trades for November the 2nd, 2023, and we were up plus 1425. That takes us up about plus 400 on the month. We are down about minus 825 on the quarter since October the 1st. We've mainly been trading our Signal Strength Trader and FOMC Trader yesterday, and so this is based on a 250K account, and trading one contract for every 250K. So you see plus 1425 there per 250K, and up on the month just a little bit, kind of a scratch amount, nothing to get excited about yet. So still working on syncing up with the market. We stayed with the Signal Strength Trader today because I'm still setting this portfolio up. And you know, one of the things is that we missed a lot of this move, not because we weren't trading our full set of portfolios, because of FOMC day and because of the overnight move. This is the close of October, and FOMC ended up being one of the trendiest days. Even Robot was profitable yesterday on FOMC day, so completely contrarian to what we normally see on FOMC day. Most of the time FOMC day is too wild to trade. We have an FOMC trader to try to trade that. And then lately what we've seen, most days are like FOMC, and FOMC day is more normal, is a more normal day. And so it's kind of inverted between those two stages. But now we have kind of a normal gap continuation day. The market is back in euphoric bull market mode. Because of the performance in October, the market was down. Because what the FOMC said yesterday, the market just believes that the Fed is done and they're going to start cutting rates soon. And so bullish euphoria is back on. It's that time of year when the market goes up, and so whether it should or shouldn't, those habits are on, and so it's hard to predict what will happen as we move forward. It'll be interesting to see what tomorrow holds and what this market will do. It seems to be easier to trade still as long as the market goes up, as long as the bulls get their way. It's a little easier to trade any sort of bearish tone, and you know, the market kind of throws a tantrum and goes wild and is more difficult to trade, more so than we've ever seen in the history of our trading anyway, going back many years. And so it's certainly an interesting market. Apple earnings are coming out now. This is the stock index portfolio 34, 2 good trading days in a row in that. It bounced about 20,000 off the lows, so it's still in a 46,000, roughly a 46,000 drawdown. We stopped trading when it was at about $26,000, and so 2 good days. We're waiting for more resolution like this. Is this just a 2-day anomaly and the old chop is the norm, or is it going to go back to trading more, some more steady state patterns instead of this wild chop that we've been seeing in the markets? And we continue to sync up with the market. I want to show you. Let's see some of the trades. Even Robot worked yesterday. It didn't work today, but today a lot of strategies worked really well. Like old times, Robot worked yesterday, but not today, and would not have thought to trade that on Fed day. Gap continuation working, Viper working, Cobra 3 working, EVP1 in the trade. EVP1 stopped out. Tick Pulse working a little bit. Tick Count Trend working. Tick Pullback. Tick Reversal. Tick Long right around break even. Bounce Reversal. Let's look at the S&P strategies. You see Tick Pulse, Adaptive Moving Average, Tick Wave. These are all bouncing off of drawdown, near drawdown lows. S&P portfolio 21. The Cobra 3s finally had some good trading. Those have been in a pretty rough drawdown, but a good time to get in. Good time to get in. One trade off the low, bounced 7,000 down to here, almost a $6,000 drawdown, which is near a historic low, I believe. And then you have Cobra 3. These have gone through several series of losing streaks. Tick Pulse was up. DTM4 plus 925 plus 1662.50, and so still we're looking for a to sync up. Want to complete this portfolio setup, trying to get all these new strategies. And here's the new workspace we have with 3 NASDAQ strategies right here, and then 5 SR counter trend strategies. These all use the same set of parameters and really good results. Going back to 2007, trading the NASDAQ, S&P, crude oil, gold, silver. The SR counter trends are recovering, but I also went back and found something that the same set of parameters that works for all 5 of these markets going back and is still consistent, really good equity curve. We'll have those on the website soon. And 2 that work really well on gold and silver. This one really just removes all the rules except one. All the rules except one, and it adds a range filter. And so these work really well. And I'll have more information about those. It's a pretty lengthy process to get these all in the portfolio calculator to make sure that everything's accurate and that we're all synced up and get in at the right time. These have good drawdowns to start on, and this has about 6 losers in a row, and this is also in a drawdown. So look forward to sending out an update on that as well, and potentially try to get that live traded tomorrow if we can finish our setup. So once again, this is a live trade on the day for Thursday, November the 2nd, 2023. 1 trade left for tomorrow's trade, and that will be Jobs Friday. And I don't think Apple's earnings have come out yet, so that could also move the market. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.